My dear elegant ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm so thrilled to have you here back with me, and once again we're going to discuss fashion, and actually fall fashion this time. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Anna and I run an online finishing school called School of Affluence. That's the place where I coach women on high society, how to become a lady, and achieve success in the elite circles. If you want to start this transformation, you simply visit schoolofaffluence.com. If you are new to my channel, by the way, please do subscribe because I will be releasing plenty of videos on topics like elegant fashion and high society. But you might not be aware that I support classic and simple fashion, meaning I'm not here to talk about trends. I'm here to talk about sustainable fashion, classic timeless pieces that you can wear year after year. I'm simply here to guide you and to educate you so that you can make better fashion choices and improve your overall look. So my personal favorite shoe when it comes to fall and winter, and that I use probably all the time, and that is the over-knee boots or the over-knee shoe. I like to wear them usually without a heel, but you can have really nice ones with heels. If you decide to wear one with a heel, it's important that you do not make the pretty woman mistake, if you know what I mean. You want to always look chic and you want to look elegant. But some girls, of course, do ask me, can you actually look elegant with the over-knee boots? And I say, of course you can. It's a very elegant piece if only styled correctly. But luckily, it's not too hard to style. All you need to do is to just make sure, do not wear it with very high heels and the dress, and then you're just safe. But wearing over-knee boots that are without a heel, or maybe a thicker heel or a wedge, then you can definitely pull off a very sophisticated and sometimes even edgy and cool look, or just simple glamorous. It all depends how you style it. Now, number two, we have my also favorite, riding boots, and that is because I'm very much into equestrian fashion. But riding boots is something that everybody must have in the wardrobe because it is without a heel, so you can definitely walk in it. It will last you for years, and you can really make yourself look very sophisticated and with a very type of heritage wealth approach if you just get a really nice pair. If you do not like the riding boot approach, but you have very long and slender legs, you can go for like something more like biker boots or lace-up boots. But please be aware that these type of shoes, they do not really work well on women who do not have a model type body or frame. You can really easily make a person look a little bit more bulky and masculine with these type of shoes. So you really have to take this into account, your body structure, your body shape, when you buy shoes, so that you feel elegant in them, you feel feminine, and you feel like they suit your style. In winter and in fall, boots is usually what you really wear, regardless if it's with heels or without heels or what type of variations. So I definitely recommend to try and get different pairs so you have options. Try and get, like I said, the riding boot without heel, maybe the over-knee boot without heel, and maybe one with heel. Try and maybe see if you can get a pair of regular boots that are more for evening or more dressed up occasions that have a very nice and sleek heel. You can then wear them with nice skirts, or you can maybe wear them with really nice trousers or even jeans, but still look elegant and sophisticated. Also take into account that there are different heel types for boots in terms of high heels. You can have a very thin, like very provocative type of looking heel. You can have a thicker heel. You can have a wedge. But you also have to understand that not every type of heel will look dressed up or will look casual. So depending what you will be using this type of boots for, you need to really think about, okay, is this heel appropriate? Because I feel like that's sometimes what women do mistakes of. They don't take the heel into account when they dress themselves. So they arrive to a casual daytime gathering in really high heels, or they go out at night with some really chunky casual heel. But before I continue, ladies, I have created a cheat sheet called How to Look Expensive, and this cheat sheet is really going to save you both time and headache for when you're shopping and for when you're dressing yourself, because this cheat sheet really helps you how to become more elegant regardless of budget, and shows you the secret tips and tricks and hacks to what it is exactly that makes an outfit look more expensive than others. Make sure you get this free cheat sheet by visiting classycheatsheet.com. Now I have a little surprise for you, and you probably would not expect me to put this one in this video today. Rain boots. Yes. Now, how come? Well, first of all, if you live somewhere where you have fall and winter, then most likely you're going to experience a bit of rain during that season. And what's very chic and elegant is when you are dressed according to weather conditions and dressed appropriately, basically. If you have a pair of rain boots, that means you are dressed for the weather and you dress appropriately. For instance, I'm not saying you have to go to a meeting or to a fun gathering wearing rain boots, but I'm saying if you are casual days, if you're in the countryside, if you're doing some errands and it's really pouring down with rain, then wearing a very chic and stylish rain boots can really elevate your look. And the good thing with rain boots is that because they are of a very affordable material, they usually don't cost too much. Just make sure you choose a pair that are stylish. You don't want a pair of rain boots that's going to drag your appearance down. You want them to complement you. And if you do afford buying designer, then you can buy a nice cute pair of designer branded rain boots, even if some people might think that it's a waste of money, but actually it can really add a little touch to your outfit if the design is chic. So leaving the boots a little bit behind, I want to talk a little bit about the Victorian lace-up shoes. I find them to be quite sophisticated. They are a little bit kind of Victorian, old-fashioned style, and usually we associate them with a different era than ours. But I do think that the shoe is very elegant, especially if you wear them with some really nice skirt or a dress and you style them well. I know men really like anything that's lace up, so this is a very classy way of adding a little bit of lace and spice to your outfit, while still keeping you protected and warm in fall and winter. Now lastly, the jodhpur. And again, I'm back to my equestrian fashion because this is actually where this shoe originated from. But a lot of women, and actually even men, wear this shoe as an everyday type of shoe. And what I like about it is that it's very stylish, it's very sleek, and you have many brands like Hermes that cater for a more sophisticated clientele that want to dress a little bit more low-key but extremely well dressed. And I feel like the jodhpur just really does that to you. The only thing I would take into account is to only wear them with trousers. I wouldn't wear them necessarily with a dress or a skirt because they just don't go together with that. But for casual occasions when you wear a trouser, not at night, the jodhpur is definitely a good walking shoe to invest in. Make sure to watch my other video where I talk about elegant coats for this season. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now I will see you in my next video.